Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an AI tool which is used to convert your AI content into a humanized content. So now the AI plagiarism is one of the biggest problem faced by our fellow researchers. So in order to convert AI content into a humanized content, there are many tools are available in market. So among them, we are going to discuss an AI tool, so which will be very helpful for you to convert AI content into a humanized content, and also it is having several options like different categories of conversion. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will works out for our AI conversion to humanized conversion. So before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing using AI tools. So the main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of ChatGPT for research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register this online workshop, and the important thing is that I am going to show you a live research paper writing using different kinds of AI tools. So see you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that, so humanize AI text. So effortlessly convert AI generated text from ChatGPT, Bard, Jasper, Grammarly, GPT-4 and more in natural human-like writing, achieve 100% originality and bypass AI direction and with the best humanized AI tool. So here there are different options are available: standard, academic, simple, flowing, formal, informal, expand, shorten. So here I am going to take a content. So I am going to generate a content using AI, and I am going to humanize it with using this tool. So in order to do so, I am going to open ChatGPT. So I'm going to generate content from ChatGPT. So just to go to ChatGPT, you can give whatever you want. For example, I am going to give explain about machine learning algorithm in 200 words in single paragraph. So like that I am going to give an input to ChatGPT, then ChatGPT will generate content for us. So you can copy this content. First you can check it with any of the open source AI checker. So here you can see that so I have used this 𝐓𝐻𝐷 to check AI content. So here I have copy and pasted this content which is generated by this particular ChatGPT, and then I have just given directed text. So here you can see your text is AI or GPT generated, so 100% AI GPT. So this is how the content will be generated. So in this 𝐓𝐷 itself you will be having an option called make your text human. So you can use this, or you can use the AI tool what we are discussing today. So let us check it with this particular tool, and we will see how it will convert AI content into a humanized content. So here you can see that, so I have selected an academic option. So after that, so I just given humanize, so automatically the AI generated content is converted into a humanized content. So here you can expand or shorten the content also. So for example, I want to shorten the content. So here you can select the text and you can select shorten. So whatever you want you can do. So in order to convert it as academic, so you can do that, or simple, flowing, formal. So whatever the options you want you can choose. So this is how you can convert your AI generated content into a humanized content using this particular humanized AI text. So after that, so you can copy this content and you can use 𝐓𝐷 again to check for AI plagiarism. So here you can see that again I have copied, I used this same the 𝐓𝐷.com. So and I have checked for that is AI direction. So again it is showing that, so your content is 100% directed by AI. So this is how many of the AI tools work, that is just they are paraphrasing the content instead of changing it as a human like content. So just they are paraphrasing and giving output. So let us check it with that 𝐓𝐷 itself. So just I am going to use this make that is undetectable AI link. So in this undetectable AI link, so you can use this option to log in with your mail ID. So after that, so you can copy and paste the same content which is generated by ChatGPT, and you can use this content in this particular tool. So copy this and go to 0GPT again. So here you have to go for subscription option. So this cannot be advanced AI director and humanizer. So let us check it with some limited words. So you can copy and you can just give humanize. So let us see how it will works out. So it will analyze the undetectable AI, will analyze the content, and let us see how it will generate a humanized content. Yes. So this is somewhat better when compared with the tool we have used earlier. So here you can see all the sentences has been changed. So you can copy this output. So and go to 0GPT again. So again I am going to refresh this one. So you can copy and paste the content which we have used undetectable AI for conversion. So you can paste here and then just give on direct text. So here you can see that your text is 100 human written. So here you can see the difference between the two sentences. So here earlier we have that is convert this humanized AI text. So here you can see that. So how it is changed, the same thing is changed, just it is paraphrased some of the words. Instead of enables, it is given as empowers. So whereas by using this copy 0GPT, it leads to our undetectable AI. So in this undetectable AI, you can see that artificial intelligence involves machine learning techniques that allows systems. So all the word and sentences has been changed. So instead of using this humanized AI text, so you can use this undetectable AI to generate a better output in order to convert AI content into a humanized content. So my suggestion is that you can go for undetectable AI instead of going for this kind of tools. There are many this kind of tools, that humanized AI kind of tools are available in market in order to convert AI text into humanized text. So don't trust all of them. So you can make use of this kind of AI tools in order to generate a better content for your research paper writing. So hope this video will bring an aware about what are the different tools available in this particular AI to humanized content. So use and choose the tools wisely, and please check it once before using it in your research paper or anywhere else. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.